I've been using LootBar for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using in 2025. LootBar is a third-party marketplace that advertises discounted in-game currency top-ups for popular games like Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, and Free Fire. The platform looks clean and easy to use, and for smaller purchases, I did notice that some transactions went through without any major issues. They also promote features like 24/7 customer support, VIP member benefits, and cashback offers, which sound appealing if you're a frequent spender on microtransactions. But here's where things get concerning. A lot of users, including myself, have experienced delays or outright failed transactions, especially with larger purchases. Customer service is technically available, but in practice, it's hit or miss. Responses are often copy-pasted, and in some cases, they've asked for sensitive details like game login credentials or personal ID, which is a huge red flag. There's also growing suspicion that many of the positive reviews are incentivized or manipulated, which makes it hard to trust the overall reputation. Plus, keep in mind that using third-party platforms like this might go against the terms of service of the games themselves, meaning your account could be at risk of getting banned. So in summary, LootBar might seem like a quick way to save money, but the risks far outweigh the rewards, especially if you're dealing with high-value top-ups or games with strict account policies. If you're going to use it at all, proceed with extreme caution. I hope this review helped you stay safe and make an informed choice. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.